to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for June 24, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:30 p.m. This is the second evening of 8 nights when the latest sunset occurs. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before daybreak, bright Jupiter is in the east, over 20 degrees up in the sky. The planet is moving eastward in front of Aries, 11.1 degrees to the lower right of Hamal, the constellation's brightest star. The planet is easily clearing the trees and other neighborhood obstructions at this time interval before sunrise. It is an easy target for a binocular or a telescope. With the binocular, up to 4 of its largest moons are visible. They appear as stars near the planet. This morning Europa and Ganymede are east of the planet, while Io and Callisto are to the west. Saturn, dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most stars in the sky this morning, is nearly 40 degrees up in the south-southeast. It is retrograding, appearing to move westward against the stars of dim Aquarius that are washed out by the blush of morning twilight and the glow of perpetual outdoor lighting. The star Fomalhaut is about halfway from the horizon to Saturn. The star marks the mouth of the southern fish. Mercury is retreating into bright morning twilight. It rises 35 minutes before the sun, and by the time it is high enough to be seen, it is overwhelmed by morning's light. In about a week, it passes behind the sun at its superior conjunction and then into the evening sky. In the evening sky, Venus is that bright star in the west, easily brighter than all other stars in the sky this evening. An hour after sunset, the evening star is over 15 degrees up in the west. Its eastward progress is slowing as it approaches dimmer Mars 4.0 degrees to the upper left. It sets 2 hours, 33 minutes after the sun, losing 2 to 3 minutes of setting time compared to sunset each evening. Mars is marching eastward in front of Leo. Venus moves into the Lion's boundary in 2 nights. Leo is a westward-facing lion that we visualize in silhouette. A backwards question mark, with Regulus at the bottom, represents the creature's head. A triangle with Dean Bola, the tail, outlines the lion's haunches. Regulus is 13.4 degrees to the upper left of Venus. This evening, the moon, 38% illuminated, is nearly 10 degrees to the lower left of Dean Bola. The lunar orb is at its evening half-full phase, last quarter, at 2:50 a.m. CDT on the 26th. Watch the moon move farther eastward and grow in phase each evening. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.